Hello guys, welcome again to the channel Plus Toy TV. So today we will look for toy cars, plastic toy cars on the tree and the nursery plant also. Wow, look at this guys! Look at this. We found police car in the plastic box in here. Wow, look at this motorsport international. Wow, it looks nice. Okay, here the white police car, white police car in the plastic bags. All of this made in China. Made in China. Okay, keep looking more. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this. We found the yellow police car here. Wow, looks nice. Police car in the yellow color. All of these are made in China. Made in China. Plastic toy cars. It's amazing. Alright, keep looking more, guys. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, we found the yellow helicopter. New Happy 3000s. Wow, they have the plate number at the back. Wow, that looks nice. Helicopter. Wow, that looks nice. Okay, keep looking some more, guys. Wow, look at this. Wow, guys, look at this. We found the blue helicopter. The blue helicopter. Wow, that's nice in the plastic box. Wow, it's amazing, guys. Wow, they have also plate number 3188, something like that. Wow, looks gorgeous. Okay, here the white color. Again, the helicopter in the white color. Wow, nice. Look at this. Wow, look at the wheel. All of these product made in China, and they also have another plate number at the back. They probably had the same number. Wow, looks gorgeous. Alright, looking more, guys. Looking more. Wow, guys, look at this. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, look at this in the plastic motorbike, a big motorbike. Wow, this is like a racing motorbike. Wow, the motorbike that race in the hill in a sleeping police. Wow, looks nice. Okay, you're looking some more. Wow, look at this guy, plastic bag. Captain, plastic toy car. Wow, seeing the beautiful nursery plant. That looks gorgeous. That's amazing toy car. Okay, keep looking more. Wow, look at this, guys. Another helicopter in the red color. Wow, look at this real plastic box. No Happy 3000s. All plate number at the back. Wow, look at this. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing helicopter. Okay, keep looking more. Wow, this is in the plastic mini toy cars in the box. Wow, it's amazing. Many toy cars in the box. Wow, the 5 of them in the box. 5 mini toy cars in the box. Okay, keep looking more, guys. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this. A small truck here. Small truck. Wow, looks nice. And here we found the police car. The white police car. Wow, in a plastic box. Amazing white police car. Again, wow, look at this. Wow, amazing. All right, let's see what we have here. Lost. Okay. There's the helicopter. Wow, helicopter in the box again. And this is the white color. And another helicopter in the blue. Okay, this is in the yellow color. And we found a police car, butcher, and the truck here, small truck, and the white police car. And again a motorbike capture. And this is mini toy cars in the box. And the yellow police car. Alright, thank you for watching.